In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play games without graphics card in Windows 10. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a PC or a laptop that doesn't have a dedicated graphics card, you will still be able to play a lot of games. So in this video, I'm going to cover what you can consider in order to play games without using a dedicated graphics card and how the whole process works. So, graphics card mostly serves the purpose of enhancing the visual fidelity of the game and possibly giving you better performance. But like I said, there's nothing stopping you from playing games even if you don't have a graphics card. A lot of well-praised games like Terraria, Binding of Isaac, Balatro don't require intensive graphics cards or even CPUs. So, of course, one consideration is to look for games that will run on any hardware. Even if a game runs poorly on your specific PC or laptop, it won't damage it. You will notice that the performance is not going to be good, but that's okay. And all that you have to do is click on a specific game and then try to run it. Now, if you are unsure, you can visit a specific store page for the game and scroll down until you see the system requirements. For example, Terraria doesn't require a lot. At most, you will need 256 megabytes of video memory, 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is something extremely outdated, a dual-core processor, so as long as you have something modern within the last 5 years, for example, you will most likely be okay running this game. And the same can be said for any of these 2D titles that you can find on Steam. Now, if you want to play more graphically intensive stuff, then this is still going to be difficult. Games like Red Dead Redemption, for example, which have a lot of graphical fidelity, won't run out well without a graphics card. So another consideration that you can make is to use cloud gaming services. These will require a strong internet connection. You will be streaming the game over from a well-equipped computer that has a lot of good hardware. So when you visit any of these games, you will be able to stream them over, and all that you need is a controller, and you will be able to play on your PC as long as you are able to maintain a stable and strong internet connection. For this, you will visit places like the Xbox Cloud Gaming Services, GeForce Now, Amazon Luna, and so on. I hope I was able to help you on how to play games without graphics card in Windows 10. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.